It's Monday the 25th of April, and I wanted to let you know what's happening in tonight's Lightroom support group. Well, we're going to be looking at some services that you probably don't use or don't even realize that they're there, and why we can use these services. So we're going to be looking at Classic, working with your cloud storage, which you have, depending on the plan you're on, 20 gigabytes or 1 terabyte. Now I'm going to give you a quick scenario of what I use some of the storage for. We already know that smart previews from Classic to the cloud are not included in your storage quota. But any pictures that you take from Lightroom, whether on your phone or using your camera and an interface or a device, that is a file, therefore it counts towards your storage. So we already know that. But I have some files in there that I want access wherever I am, whatever they are. But I want to manage them in Classic. So my files that I'm referring to are templates for sharing my images on social media. They're already the correct size, they have a drop shadow, they have a signature, a watermark. I can just type in the replace the sample text. I can just type in on top of that, replace that text with perhaps a title of the image, etc. But I want those to be with me wherever I am. So I'm out and about, I would take a photograph of my phone, I can open it up within a browser, on my tablet, on my phone, on my laptop, and I have those templates, those Photoshop templates with me wherever I am, and I can share a common theme, how I present my images wherever I am on social media, whatever platform, and they all look similar. Now, I want to manage those templates within Classic. So tonight is all about setting it up, and then it's probably going to be 2 or 3 weeks. We're going to be looking at different things that we can do and why we do those. Okay, so I hope you can join us tonight, 7 p.m. on Zoom. We're looking at Adobe Creative Cloud and small parts of the functionality using Classic to keep our workflow generic or standardize across different user interfaces and different devices. So I hope you can join us 7 p.m. tonight on Zoom. lightroommark.com. Take care, all the best. Bye for now.